Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cash App tag. Your Cash App tag, also known as your dollar cash tag, is a unique identifier that allows others to send you money and for you to send money to them. It is a key part of your profile. The good news is that you absolutely can change it, and the process is quite simple, taking just a few moments to complete right within the application itself. Let's go through the steps together. To begin changing your Cash App tag, first open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This action will take you to your account settings. From there, you will need to scroll down a bit until you find and select the Personal tab. Within this section, you will see your current Cash App tag displayed. Tap on it to proceed. After tapping on your current tag, a field will appear where you can enter your desired new Cash App tag. It is crucial to choose a tag that is unique and has not been taken by another user. The app will usually indicate if your chosen tag is available. Also, make sure your new tag adheres to Cash App-specific guidelines, which typically involve using letters and numbers. Once you are satisfied with your new tag, confirm your selection to save the changes to your account. It is important to remember that once you change your Cash App tag, your previous tag becomes immediately unavailable for use by anyone, including yourself. Therefore, it is a good idea to inform your contacts about your new tag to avoid any confusion or issues with sending and receiving money. Also, please note that Cash App allows you to change your tag a maximum of 2 times within any 7-day period, so choose your new tag carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.